G'day YouTube, it's Christmas Eve 2022 and today we're flying up to Queensland to spend Christmas with my parents. We just wanted to spend a little bit of time with Buddy at the dog park before leaving. It wouldn't be us at Christmas time if we weren't parking in the paddock. We're heading to Bribie Island, the smallest of 3 major sand islands sheltering Moreton Bay. Bribie Island is 34 kilometres long and 8 kilometres at its widest. The native Jundaburi people call the island Yarrun. It's connected to the mainland by a bridge from Sandstone Point, which was completed in 1963. At the time, it was the longest pre-stressed, precast concrete bridge in Australia. My parents live at the Gemlife Retirement Resort here on the island. We'll take you on a proper tour of the facility a little later in the video.
He's like a little albino. Hey, little mate.
So apparently this Christmas tree grows over the course of a few hours. I'm very curious to find out what it's all about. Well, things happen, so...
Yep. Whole life.
Gemlife Bribie Island is a retirement resort for over 50s. Surrounded by national parkland and Ducks Lake, you'll find it in the suburb of Bongaree, within walking distance of a shopping centre, medical care, transport and restaurants. The facilities in the resort include a community area with seating for meals, shows and events, 2 swimming pools, 1 indoors, and 1 outdoors with a barbecue area, a gymnasium, a sauna, a cinema, a library, a music room, a craft room, lawn bowls, mini golf, a tennis court, a workshop, and 10-pin bowling, complete with balls, shoes, and 3 lanes with a computerized scoring system. You just book a time and you can play as much as you like for free. It's kind of like living on a cruise ship full time, except you're not going anywhere. Pets are welcome, and they have their very own off-leash dog park. Dad has a nice pizza oven at home, so one day for lunch, we made some nice custom pizzas. We freaked out because we thought there were cane toads about, but they were just really big frogs. Turns out, frogs jump, but toads don't. Oh wow, that looks so cool. All this lightning, but haven't heard any thunder. How weird is that? Whoa. We don't get this kind of lightning in Tassie. This is very different. It's just so constant. And no thunder, and it's not raining, really. Wow. Wow. Coming up in our Queensland series, we'll be checking out the beach on the island, celebrating the new year, visiting an archaeology museum, hanging out with butterflies, taking a morning tea cruise, and fulfilling a life goal by visiting Australia Zoo.